Alright, today we're going to replace the anti-sway bar linkage on a 2006 Honda Civic. This is where it's connected. You can see it's pretty shot. It's disconnected there at the bottom. These things wear out over time, and if you don't get it fixed, your car sways one way or the other, because this bar stretches all the way to the other side, and that kind of helps the wheels stay within the same plane, I guess. So it's a little tighter up top. To start with, because these are so rusted, I have to spray them down with some WD-40 or something like that. And I'm using a 14mm socket. A deep socket would have helped, but I did get it off. And I'm using some needle nose plier vice grips for the top to hold the other side. You have to use something to hold the other side on the old one, or else it'll just keep spinning. So you can see it's pretty rusted out. It's in bad shape. The new one was less than 15 bucks on Amazon. And again, you can use vice grips, or I think you can use an open end, maybe a 1/2-inch wrench or something like that. Maybe or a 14mm. It's going to be a millimeter. But the vice grips worked, and I didn't pinch the rubber gasket, so that worked out well. And on the new one, it's a 17mm socket and wrench. So I hope this helps you, and thanks for listening.